The overflow of the venom is signal line of the nerves, and the failure in the signal line of nerves or the fluctuation in the signal line of the nerves. All three options are not mentioned in the passage. So they are irrelevant as answers, and the passage deals with the stretch of wave droplets, not with the signal line. So option with a stretch line in the signal line of nerves is also incorrect. So we can eliminate choice E, choice D, choice C, and choice A. So the correct answer for the question here is choice B. So the passage suggests that the muscle contraction would be most likely to agree with the happenings due to the occlusion in the signal line of the nerves, where occlusion denotes blockage mentioned in the first paragraph. So the correct answer is choice B.